Hello everyone, good morning, and I am here right now at the Kanching Waterfalls in Rawang, and it is about 30 minutes away from Kuala Lumpur City. And this is the entrance. This place is open every day from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. So the entrance fee is 5 ringgit. So once that you are inside the gate, so you can see the small shop here that you can buy some foods. This is the entrance. Masok. Ayan, masok. On your way up, meron silang they have this playground. There, I love Kanching. They have also at the left side the surau or the prayer room. That one. This one. Good morning. Good morning. Ano yan? Smoke or smoke. Dili smoke siya. To ay nag-an oh. Dili pag to ay ga sunog. So there is also this. So meron siyang there is a stairs. If you want to use the stairs, meron siya at meron din siya flat na daanan. And then you can hold some as well to avoid kasi sometimes maybe siya slippery. Enter at your own risk. My left side, I'm already catching my breath. So today is Sunday actually, guys, so you can see many people here. Sunday because it's a weekend. A lot of people going up for hiking or just walking only, and the others also will go up for a picnic, having a fun day or family day with having oh my god, I'm catching my breath. So or going up with friends or having a great day with your family. Oh my god, I'm not sure anymore if what waterfall is this, water 1 or 2, but the one is going up there. Oh my god. Actually guys, I came here with friends. Ow, 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 ow. So we found our spot where we can put our foods. So here we will be here and put our things. Basta! Baka iihi yan sa makaligo tuloy tayo. So we move up to another place kasi nga there were lots of monkeys on top of the trees. We're just worried if they will pull from the tree and we are under on the tree. We're just worried if they will pee from the tree and then we are on the ground. Yun na nga guys, I'm not sure, I think this is the second waterfall. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I didn't manage to take the first one, and I'm not also sure if that one is the first one because there is no written from here that it is the one waterfall. That's a very long falls. So finally we found a very good spot for our things or for us here. Yeah. So ayan. Tada. So it's a very good place, a very good spot. And it is overlooking to this one here. Yes, baby! So we have our food here and we need to take this food before we go to the water and swim. So the adventure continues. So the adventure continues. Dahil tapos na kumain, busog na. Malaki na yung ano. Ayan siya yung mga stair. So pasikip na ng pasikip yung daan. So ito siya. I'm not sure what waterfalls is this is. I'm not sure what waterfall is. Oh. Pagilan na kaya yan? Hala, ang haba pala doon, oh.
Ito ang ganda.
Meron pa doon sa pinakadulo-duluhan.
Ito isang grupo lang.
Oh, ito, hindi masyadong crowded. Meron pa oh, may nagbabasa doon, oh. Tingnan mo, may nagbabasa. O, ayan si ate, nagbabasa. O, diba? Nakakonsentrate siguro siya dyan. So guys, this is the way going up to the last waterfalls. Di, okay lang. Hey! Di, medyo. Ano, pwede ka namang meet. Ano, okay. Go up na daw is mountain na. There's no water anymore. So, for us to, so we need to go back. We go down now, my friend. Go down now, let's go down because the time is 12, almost 1 o'clock.
Yeah. Maybe Ati waiting for us now.
I'm charging my phone.
If you want, I can send you lah.
Okay, then you make video lah.
Wait away, you stay here lah. I go front there and I make.
So,
when you come down, then you have to.
We're not sure where is the first waterfall.
Okay.
So if we go up some more,
Sweat a lot.
they said that there are no waterfall anymore there. The waterfall is down there on the other side.
No, this is not this side.
So
Waterfall on the other side. Not this side.
So-
This is only the mountain there.
this is only for hiking.
Yes. Maybe I think.
So
this
if you
is
want to
going
go up there, go some more, then that is
go down the other place.
then that is
We go up the mountain, then go down.
then the
other
waterfall
place.
is not there.
No, it's not there.
So,
Rawang
so
mountain
ayan,
already finished, then we are going down.
already finished na ang Rawang Mountain.
Wait, we're gonna let no.
That's all for today's video, and we're going back now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!